pals, guess who got a haircut? Me! Quite a bit shorter than it was. Normally when I'm at home, I just kind of, you know, let it grow, do whatever. I don't really have much money, so getting a haircut is a luxury. But every time I go on holiday, I'm like, yes, I need fresh hair. So that is what I did, and I got a haircut ready to go to Europe. So today I thought, I haven't styled it yet in any different ways, so I thought I'd show you my thought process of different styles that I can do with my hair, because this is like literally my favorite length to do cute little like buns and plaits and just everything really, and it just like sits so nice. It just like brushes the shoulders. This cut is really giving me like Gone Girl vibes, and like plot hole in that movie has to be she box ties her hair twice and it turns out this nice. I am just excited to try out what hats look like on my head. Isn't this so cute? Like, I mean, I do look like a child. I love this beret. Oh, this is gonna be Berlin me. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, a bandana. It's just so cute, guys. Now I feel like the easiest thing to do to spice up your hair is to add clips. That way you can have like your hair down still, but it adds like kind of a bit of 90s nostalgia. It reminds me of my childhood. You can either kind of pull your hair fully back behind your ear. It's so cute. Okay, back behind your ear and like put a clip here on one side. Oh my gosh, it's giving me like Margot Tenderbomb. You can play around with where you want the clips. You can just go one clip on each side, one on one side, something like that for a preppy look. So sometimes I like to usually add 2, or you could go 3. Now I don't have any green ones with me at the moment, but you could add like another color. So yeah, you can just kind of play around with different clips. Are super easy to find. You can find them at the supermarket or like any kind of pharmacy or anything, and just spruce up your hair like that. Another way I like to do it, by having some pieces coming out the front of my hair. So even though these are really easy hairstyles, if you wore like a different one every day, it would kind of look like you change up your hair every day. Clip here. Maybe if you had like some cute earrings, that would look super cool. And there. And I feel like the ultimate cool girl test for me is like, I never really like to have no glasses on, except for you guys. So if you add some sunglasses, that's how you're able to tell. Is this a cool hairstyle? Yes, it is! Okay. This is a good starting point because you can kind of go from here. You can either keep the clips in or you can take them out for like the next step. I'd probably keep out these sections here, and let's go for a little pigtail moment. I do like to part in the middle, but you guys can part wherever you want. Actually, I have these hair ties that have little flowers on them. I'm gonna try that. Tie up my hair. So cute. Let's see if I can possibly try to do the other side. It's giving me like Princess Diaries era hair. We could do plaits here, or we could do bubble braids. My hair that I picked out is a little bit thick, so if you want a smaller braid, I would probably have a smaller pigtail. As you can see, I have a friggin' lot of hair. I just plait this super loosely, or else you'll end up being like Pippi Longstockings and your plait will be just like sticking out of the top of your head. Something like that. Like, it is sticking out quite a bit. That's pretty cute to me. I don't know about you, but these hairstyles are so easy to do. They don't use heat, which is good, and you can kind of wear them every single day, so I love them. So we're gonna do a bubble braid now. What I have here is like just these like little, I don't know if you can see it, but little plastic elastics, fantastics. What I do is I just pop one of these on about that far down, pull it out a little bit. Probably could fit 3 if I had done the first one higher, which I did not. I'm obsessed with this. See, because I'm going to be traveling, having just a few hairstyles like this is going to save me, because I won't always be able to like wash my hair all the time. Also, I'm going to festivals and it's cool to have some ideas of how you're going to style your hair for the day, and it's going to be comfortable. You don't want anything that's going to like pull at your head too much or anything. You could also keep it half up, half down. If you notice that I say hair like in a weird way, I honestly find it really hard to say the word hair. I think it's like because I'm from New Zealand originally. I always go to say hair, but it's hair. So now we're gonna go for a space bun. This is how I do it usually. I will see if it works out because I haven't tried it with this new hair. Let's go with that bit up too, but just know the alternative. You can go with a little bit down. Pull your hair back, and then I kind of put my hand in there and twist it around my fingers. But I have my hair tie around my hand, and then I kind of put it around the bun. The trick here is to use a scrunchie because you can kind of get away with more if it's like falling out. With a hair tie, I think it's like a lot harder to do a bun and like get them the same on both sides. And also like, I feel like the hair ties with my thick hair just like get lost in the abyss under there. It's supposed to be kind of messy. We got little buns. How cute. You can also do like an even thicker scrunchie. I think the bigger the scrunchie, the easier the bun gets, but you will look like a bit of like a teddy bear. There we go. There we go. We love it. And honestly, pro tip, as I'm getting older, pulling my hair back like this, I swear I heard something about like Jennifer Lopez like scrapes her hair back for like an instant like facelift, and to be honest, it does pull back your forehead. Now you guys tell me, do pigtails make me look like a child? Because I'm gonna do it right now and you tell me. So I'm just tying it up loose with this little hair tie, and we got something like that. It does feel like a paintbrush or something. It's giving me like major Helga vibes from Hey Arnold. I just need like a bow on the top. If I had my pigtails at the top, I'd also be more like Angelica Pickles or like Dee Dee from Dexter's Laboratory. I think I should almost try that. Literally my like hair inspo for this whole like hair was actually Clover from Totally Spice. Like, am I her now? Can we vote? Let me know. Should that be my new like profile picture? Clover. I actually think before we delve into Dee Dee's hairstyle, I do want to also try little low buns. Grabbing a scrunchie, and what I'm going to do is basically tie it up like I'm tying it just from before. I'm going to like stop halfway. It tucks underneath. I brought up Angelica's pictures on my computer and it's showing me Kimmy's hairstyle. And oh my god, it's crazy. Got flicky bits coming out the side, but I'd almost wear it like that. It's kind of like a messy, like, I don't really care what I'm doing with my hair. It just like is doing this. I'd wear my hair like this if I needed to wear a hat as well, because you can't really wear a hat when your hair is up on the top. But what do we think of this one? We're gonna try Angelica Pickles. So I don't even know if my hair will go up that high with how short it is. Something is definitely telling me it's not all going up. Can she pull it off though? This is really telling me that double top buns is probably not gonna be an option for me. Is my hair uneven, or is it, I think this one's just curling more. What have I done? It looks like one side's shorter than the other. I could probably pull it off. Let's do the sunglasses test, the true test. I think a proper cool girl could pull this off. Me though, I'm a little bit lame. But yeah, from here you could do space buns, like full space buns, and just kind of curl it around. Maybe that's what I'll need to do actually, because my hair is just too short for me to go full space bun and then hope for it to sit up there. So just kind of roll it around like that, like so. And if you want it looser, you just kind of slowly pull it a little bit. Now, the easiest way you can spice up a hairstyle is, wait for it, plaits. So I could like braid this a little bit. The plait will follow where your hands are. So if you put your hands like closer to your ear, you're not gonna have your plait like going in front of your face, unless that's what you're looking for. So I'm gonna now do this one. Whee! Now this is a good summer style to keep everything off your neck and your hair, but I think I'm losing a lot of the effect of like the cool haircut. Another thing you can do with these buns, if you're tricky, is you can, let's go back a step. You can take like a strand in the middle. Say I take this strand, I'm gonna go plait it, platty plat. And you want to keep this section out. So you just have to do your bun around without getting the plait in. Trust the process, trust the process. You got a bun with a little plait coming out the center of it. Do you see that? It adds a little bit of something, a little bit of spice to your bun. Or you could add like, I don't have any, but add little beads to the plaits as well. That would be so cute. I'm gonna take these out now. You can totally just have your hair down like this as well and have these two plaits. You can like tuck it behind the ear if you want. You could even add the clips if you want, or you could do a side plait. So just put it into 3 pieces here. Because it's so short, you have to go quite tight to begin the plait and then kind of loosen out as you go down. And boom, we got little ones and big ones. I know I'm not doing anything too revolutionary, but I'm just giving you guys a refresh on how you could style your hair and just spice it up on the day-to-day. So what could also be cute, which I don't have, I've only got shoelaces, is doing like ribbons on the end. I would have to do like quite a small ribbon to make this work because, again, my hair's short, but if you have longer hair, use a longer ribbon. So I want to do kind of like a half up, half down bun situation. We're gonna ruin my part right now. So you just kind of grab the top pieces of your hair. Ooh, let's try this first. Like, I was literally watching Friends the other day. I never watch Friends, but like Phoebe had short hair exactly like mine. I was like, what are the chances? She normally has long hair in this TV show. I'm just gonna style this just at the top first. And we got something like that. Like, hello, Lizzie McGuire. Who is she? Again, you could bun it like that as well. That is kind of giving me man bun. So I do like to have a few strands down on the side. So let's do that. Keeping some of it down. Twist and flick. Pretty sure that's what they were talking about in Harry Potter. But yeah, I swear top buns were in about like 3 years ago. My favorite style is definitely the double bun. Lastly is a braid. And we're gonna separate the hair into 3. So, and then we are going to go, I like to do the under style, which is making the braids like pop out at the top. But you can also do the over style and it will kind of blend your braids into your hair. So you just grab one from the side. I'm gonna go this one first and pull it to the middle. And do the same on the other side. So pull that to the middle, pulling this one to the side. And I'll just do it one more time. So the middle one, side to middle, and then you're gonna start grabbing hair into your braids. So I'm gonna grab this bit of hair. So it's like a 4th strand, right? Grab this, grab your one on the side and hold them together and then put it underneath to the middle. So basically you're always just putting things into the middle. Now I'm actually gonna stop at my ear just to see what this looks like. So what I'm gonna do is stop bringing more hair in and just keep plaiting down these last 3 sections. So continue to just follow and hopefully you didn't forget where you're up to, and we tie that up. So that's something that you'll just get used to doing if you haven't done it much before, but after a lot of practice you'll become a pro. Now it's a little bit stick-like, so you can just like kind of loosen up the plaits a little bit, pull them out so they're not so perfect. Now obviously if you wanted to do your full head and not just stop at this section here, you could just continue going down and plaiten the bottom section. So that is how I style my hair and how I'm going to be styling it for this next season, or like probably the whole rest of my life. Such a versatile haircut. I can basically do everything I want with it, and it's like still long but still short at the same time. just kind of brushing my shoulders and just look so fresh and clean. Let me know if you guys try any of these styles. I would love to see pictures. So find me on Instagram. My Instagram's at in the Wonder Years. But my name has been Jen. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And until next time, keep wondering. And don't forget to wear your sunglasses to look cool, right? Oh, plant with pigtail. This is like the director's cut. We have an extra scene. See? So versatile. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, now I'm officially saying goodbye. Bye.